Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make crunchy potato wedges. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm doing this recipe based on 7 potatoes. I've obviously washed them and peeled them. Now the best potatoes you want to use are the ones that are very starchy, like Yukon Golds or russets, something like that. So stay away from the red ones, you want the brown dirty ones. So after peeling and washing them, all we want to do is cut them through the middle and through the middle again. So we want to make wedges like that. Obviously this depends on the size of your potato. You may need to cut it a bit more. So this one, for example, I cut into 3 pieces. So guys, just continue cutting all of them. So that's all our potatoes done there. So guys, we're going to put our wedges into a pot now. And we want to top them up with some cold water. Now to our water, we're just going to add a pinch of salt to season. And just on a high heat, we want this to reach the boil. Alright guys, so once you get a nice gentle boil going like that, we want to simmer these for around about 4 to 5 minutes. All we're basically doing is blanching them. So it is important not to overcook. So don't go longer than 5. Alright guys, so it's been 4 minutes. So I'm just going to strain our potatoes. And immediately run cold water because we want to stop the cooking process. Now I'm just going to empty the potatoes into another bowl and we'll continue. So guys, I've just put the potatoes into a smaller bowl. I'm going to add about 1 cup of milk in. And we're just going to toss this around in there. Now just leave that there. And back to our bigger bowl, I'm going to add in about 1.5 cups of plain flour. To this we'll add 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, a couple of cracks of black pepper, about 1 teaspoon of ground chilli, a pinch of salt, and we just want to give that a quick mix just in the bowl. Just like so. So that's our seasoning done. Now in the meantime, start to preheat your deep fryer to 170 degrees Celsius. Alternatively, you can oven bake these, but frying comes out better. So guys, we're going to get our potatoes that are soaked in the milk and add them into our flour mixture. Do this in about 3 separate batches, don't mix them all at once. We just want to toss them in the seasoning first. Now once they're covered, just take them out individually and we're going to place them onto a tray for now while we work on the rest. Alright guys, that's all our potatoes done, so now we can cook them. Alright guys, so once your oil is hot, I'm going to go ahead and put our potatoes straight in. And we can go ahead and put our basket straight into the oil. So guys, it's very important not to overcrowd your baskets. Make sure the wedges have room to swim around. And you want to make sure they're not stuck together either. So guys, what we're going to do is roughly cook our wedges as they are for around 6 minutes. That'll cook it all the way through. Then we'll take them out, let them rest a little, then we'll refry them to give it that crunchy look. Alright guys, so we're at the 6-minute mark now. So I'm just going to take out our baskets and just look at how beautiful they look so far. Now we want to let these rest here for a couple of minutes. So after about 2 minutes, we're going to put our baskets back in again. And this time we're going to let them fry for between 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and golden brown and crunchy. Alright guys, so it's been 3.5 minutes now, and just look at that. If you're happy with them, take them out. So let them rest there for about 30 seconds, let all that excess oil drip out, and just have a look at that. And we'll just season just with some sea salt. But the most important thing guys, just listen to that crunch. And inside, beautiful and nice and soft. And that's all there is to it. For a fraction of the price for what you'd pay at a supermarket. Now, you can freeze these and refry them another time as well if you like. So guys, it's as simple as that. I hope you like that. Please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.